Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making hand sanitizer at home. For you to start, you need a little bowl like this, a stirring stick or spatula, then you're measuring spoons. So starting first, you are going to be needing 2:1. That's of the alcohol to the aloe vera gel. So it's going to be 2 of this alcohol, 2 tablespoons of alcohol, and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. So here is the 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Right in the bowl. Now we are going to be measuring 2 tablespoons of alcohol. Not using butanol or ethanol because those are toxic alcohol. So isopropyl range of alcohol are still of lesser risk. So here is 1 tablespoon of alcohol. We're measuring the second one now. And this is the second one. And mix well. Make sure you keep mixing to get achievable consistency. After the whole mixing, then we now add half tablespoon of rose water. For the rose water, here's the rose water I'm making use of, the Virginia Green Garden rose water. So we're going to be needing half tablespoon of this now for the mixture. And we'll continue the mixing. We are still mixing. So here is it, and you can keep mixing until you achieve a well-binded mixture. So if the consistency is too thick for you, you can add 1 more tablespoon of alcohol to keep it a bit, to keep it less, to reduce the thickness of the mixture. So but for me, I think I like it like this. You just apply it. After this, then mix. Make sure it covers all your arm, in and out, and you rub for like 30 to 60 seconds to achieve the whole arm coverage. So guys, yeah, and it's really soft, skin friendly due to the rose water and the guys. So you can then transfer this into your container, any container you have at home for storage and keep using. Pocket friendly. So guys, there you have it. This is the final outlook of the hand sanitizer, the rose water hand sanitizer. So this is what you can easily make at home. So a big thumbs up on my video will really be appreciated, and also kindly subscribe to my channel to see other videos. So for those that might inquire for the large quantity production of these, probably to start a business or for your large family usage, you can make a 1000 ml of alcohol to 500 to 800 gram of aloe vera gel, then 250 ml of the rose water or just normal water. So that's it guys, there you have it. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.